Yo-Yo and Vanessa have been scouring the comments for social media check-in for everybody's issues, problems, and questions. What do you got?
We got them right here. All right, Crystal Perry, a Brad Squad VIP member, is the first one. Can I go to the U.S. on a visitor's visa and adjust my status if documents qualify instead of waiting in my country?
Well, you can't come to the United States with the intent of adjusting your status, but if you come to the United States on a visitor's visa with the intent of visiting and 90 days later you decide to change your mind and adjust your status, that's okay. Wink, wink.
I was about to say, that's definitely a wink, wink.
Wink, wink.
Nenny G. Rucker, Brad Squad VIP. My cousin is from Saint Vincent and the Grenadines and overstayed her visa. She has been living in the U.S. for many years now. She also has a heart issue and has to be on dialysis. I asked the lawyer if she would be a good candidate for deferred and forced departure because if she goes back home, she wouldn't be able to afford the treatment. The lawyer told me she wouldn't be a good candidate. Is that true?
I don't think so. I think it's worth looking into.
All right, Samantha Jones on Facebook. How many...
And by the way, it's not so much you can't afford the treatment. It's more they don't have the treatment. There's a difference.
Yeah.
Okay, but we could look into it.
Wink, wink. Wink, wink.
Yes.
All right, Samantha Jones on Facebook. How many times can I file for VAWA if I got denied for the first time?
The second time, the third time, the fourth time. You can apply 1,000,000 times as long as you're not divorced more than 2 years.
Shanika Royal on YouTube. How high of a chance is it to get an approval after being denied now that my citizen wife is pregnant and we have been married for 2 years?
Well, I don't know why you were denied previously. If they didn't believe it was a real marriage and she's pregnant with your child, I think that goes a long way to proving it's a real marriage.
Zora Babel Jengu on YouTube. My brother has a B2 visa appointment. I'm a green card holder from marriage. He's scared of saying he has relatives in the U.S. What should we do?
Why is he scared of saying he has relatives in the U.S.?
Because the brother has a B2 visa appointment and, you know, the brother is a green card holder from marriage.
I think I would be scared to lie. That would be scarier. Tell the truth. And somebody violates immigration laws has no effect on you personally, but what would have an effect on you is lying.
Ginger Juice on YouTube. My friend has a baby by a U.S. citizen, but they're not together, and the baby was born in South Africa. He was on a J1 and wants to immigrate to the U.S. Does she have a way with just the baby and without the father?
There's no baby filing for mother application, unfortunately.
God's Warrior on YouTube. When I filed for my son, he was denied his naturalization certificate or certification for a reason I'm not sure of, but he has his U.S. passport. He recently got married. What will he have to do to file for his wife?
Well, he has to get a certificate of citizenship. If he has a U.S. passport and immigration denied his certificate of citizenship, they're already on record saying he's not a U.S. citizen. Department of Homeland Security, who issues the certificate of citizenship, that trumps the U.S. passport. So we got to figure out if in fact he's a U.S. citizen or not, and then fix that problem.
Victory Naboya on YouTube. After my freshman year of high school, my I-20 was in terminated status without my knowledge for the past 3 years. Now I'm trying to get into college, but I can't, and I'm scared of leaving the country. What can I do?
But why? I don't know why it was terminated without your knowledge, and you were going to school this whole time and you didn't realize. That sounds strange to me. But what you need to do is reinstate your status and have a really good excuse why you were out of status for 3 years. We'll start with, I didn't know I was out of status for 3 years, but we'll have to really dig deep and figure out why you didn't know that. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.